Today, I'll walk you through how to show values in millions in Power BI without using the letter M, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to format your data effectively so you can present your insights clearly and professionally. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Power BI on your computer. If you don't have it open yet, don't worry, just take your time to get it started. Once you have Power BI open, the next step is to click on the visual that you want to format. This could be a card or any other visual representation of your data. Selecting the right visual is crucial, as it sets the stage for how your data will be displayed. Now look for the option that says Format Your Visual. This is typically found in the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. Clicking this will open up a range of formatting options that you can apply to your visual. Next, locate and click on Call Out. This section allows you to customize how the data is presented, making it more engaging for your audience. It's like choosing the right frame for a beautiful picture. In the Apply Settings to section, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Card Data. This tells Power BI that you want to apply the formatting specifically to the card data you're working with. Now click on Value. This is where you will specify how the numerical data is displayed. It's a crucial step to ensure your audience can easily understand the figures. Next, find the drop-down for Display Units. Click on it and you will see several options. This is where we will make our key adjustment. Finally, choose None from the drop-down menu. By selecting this option, you will display the values in their raw form, allowing you to present numbers in millions without the letter M. This makes your data clearer and more accessible for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your Power BI visual to show values in millions without using the letter M. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.